Alright, Jacob again over at Mr. Ingram's Computer Repair and Shop. And this morning I picked up a donation computer. It's a Dell. I haven't even opened it. I've just stuck a rubber band on it to keep the cable. But we're going to open it up first time together. And we're going to see what type of condition it is. It may be a boring 2-minute video. If I plug it in, it just works. But we'll find out together on condition. So I'm just going to plug the charger in. There we go. So, I mean, it's dusty. There's one broken screw in there. Got a screen and keyboard. Off to a good start. So I'm just going to plug it in and see if it sparks. Plug it in, turn it on. Alright, we got power LEDs, we got DELL on the screen. But all the LEDs are lighting up as they should. Looks like it's going to be a boring 2-minute video. Huh, and then it just shut off. We got just the battery LED on. So I hit the power button, the power light comes on, hard drive light comes on, we get the DELL logo. Recovery. Alright. So even as a hard drive that looks like it has Windows 10 on it. What we're going to do first, we're going to get a drill bit for this. There we go. Or a screw bit. Too big. There we go. I'm just going to take the hard drive out. I'm going to plug it into my computer and I'm going to see the smart data on it. And the hard drive smart data is just going to show me things like how often the hard drive is used, how long it's been turned on, how many times it's turned on off, max temperatures it's ran at. It's going to give me a good estimation on condition of the hard drive and if it's a good hard drive or if it's just a hard drive worth recycling. That gets it out. Has a little pull tab. There it goes. Tight fit. That's the little hard drive. It's just a normal SATA laptop hard drive. This one's by Samsung. And I'm just 500 gig size. So I got my system set up right here. I'm just gonna plug it in. Turn it on. And we're going to pull apart the Sentinel. And we're going to wait a second. I'm not sure it connects. It's not spinning. Let's pull up some more stuff. There it goes. We got it up. Alright, hard drive. 100% health, 100% performance. Power on times 109 days and 15 hours. By days it means 109 times 24 and then plus the 15. It's been turned on for 2,600 hours. Total start stop count, it's been turned on and off 2,600 times. Max temperature it's ever hit is 50 degrees Celsius. So it's definitely a used hard drive. Not a bad hard drive though. So the data should be fine. We can take a look at the data. This is a donation, so I am going to just wipe it, but we're going to see what it's running. Alright, it has a old file in it, so it was Windows something else, and now it's Windows 10. Oh. Well, that looks good. Hard drive looks good. It may just be a simple nuke and pave job. I might just stick the hard drive back in there, secure wipe it, and then just install Windows 10. Stick this screw back in. We got 1 stick of RAM, so we're gonna do a little RAM upgrade. We're gonna put up to 8. Everything needs to be 8 for my store. So it's just 1 4 gig stick. 2800S. I put them back over there. Let me grab another one. Here we go. I got another 4 gig stick. So we're gonna put this back in. That back in. And we're gonna just pop it in, and we're gonna turn it on to see if it recognizes the RAM. Pop back in. You are a little pain. There we go. Oh, it better work. That was too much trouble. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're just going to turn on power buttons. And then we're going to spam escape. F2 is for setup. Hit F2. We're going to go into its BIOS. Then we're going to go down. Total memory. 8192. So it's 8 gigabytes now. It sees all 8. So we're just going to hit exit saving changes. Sure. And then it's just going to be a nuke and pave, which is boring. Couple hour job. Hit a couple buttons, wait a couple hours, and we'll nuke it. Now I'm going to install Windows 10 and clean it off, and it should be good for a stress test. And if it passes stress test, it should be good for sale. And that's the DELL. I don't know what model this is. It is a DELL Inspiron 153521. If you care to look it up. Anyways, that's all from me. Remember to subscribe. As soon as I have 25 subscribers, we're going to start doing live repairs. But minimum 25. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button so I can get up to 25. Any questions, go ahead and comment or send me an email. Thank you.